If you've ever wondered how to use the financial nudges built into apps to stay consistent with your savings and spending habits, you're in the right place. But here's the thing. Most of the advice you've heard is probably tied to affiliate commissions, right? I'm not here for that. Everything I'm sharing with you is purely for your benefit, based on real strategies I've used myself to improve my financial habits. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage financial nudges to stay on track, and I'll reveal one key strategy that most apps aren't telling you, but you absolutely need to hear. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Nudges in financial apps aren't just random features. They're designed to influence your behavior without you even realizing it. Whether it's automatic savings, spending alerts, or even roundups, these nudges are powerful tools to help you build better habits over time. For example, automatic savings nudges, apps like Digit or Chime, offer features that automatically transfer small amounts of money to your savings. It's genius because, while it feels small at the time, those little nudges add up. The key here is that they tap into a psychological principle known as behavioral momentum. Once you start saving a little, you're more likely to keep saving without even thinking about it. This kind of automation removes the need for willpower, which, let's be honest, is something we all struggle with. Now, spending alerts, many apps like Mint or Personal Capital, send you notifications when you're about to go over budget. These nudges don't just stop at the alert, though. They often come with a friendly reminder to adjust your habits, or they suggest where you could save. This is important because it brings awareness to the fact that you're not managing your money effectively. Awareness is the first step in behavior change, but most importantly, it empowers you to make quick changes before things spiral out of control. But here's a big takeaway that will help you stay even more consistent. One feature you might not be using enough is goal-based savings. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt, apps like Capital let you set specific savings goals. These apps then nudge you with little reminders to keep saving. Why does this work so well? It's because people are more likely to stay consistent when they have a clear target, and the nudges remind you that the goal is within reach. Here's the thing that separates successful savers from those who struggle. It's all about making small wins feel big. Nudges and apps use this principle to give you that instant gratification without the negative consequences. For instance, when an app shows you how close you are to your goal, it feels like you're achieving something, and that fuels you to keep going. Without these nudges, it's easy to fall off track. But with them, you feel motivated by progress, no matter how small. Now, there's one thing I want you to keep in mind, and this is the crucial part that could make or break your consistency. Apps like Acorns and Betterment, while amazing, only work if you're consistent with your habits. They nudge you, but they can't do the work for you. The real key here is that you need to set up those nudges right from the start. It's about designing your financial system so that the nudges work in the background, helping you reach your goals without you having to put in constant effort. If you've been finding it hard to stay consistent with your finances, it might be because you haven't fully embraced the power of these nudges yet. Take the time to set up automatic transfers, spending alerts, and goal tracking. And, trust me, you'll be amazed at how easily your habits can change. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe. Supporting content like this, where there are no affiliate links or hidden commissions, helps bring you the real deal. Stick around for more videos that will actually help you grow your financial knowledge and improve your money management for good.